the owner of Future Auto Connection. We have 2 shops, Future Auto Cares, one in Fremont, one in Sunnyvale. We do general auto repairs. Mainly we're focused on the scheduled maintenance. We're still keeping the low cost for most of our regular clients. That's why they're coming back. We have Luis Hernandez in the auto industry for over 30 years. Me, myself, I used to be a wholesaler. I used to get cars ready and prepare cars for franchise dealers. I do a lot of brakes and tires and inspections and also oil changes, and that's our daily bread and butter. We are car parts certified, and also we're certified with O'Reilly. We're on their certified auto shops. We go through training classes like AC, engine management, hybrid stuff. We're pretty up to date. Well, a customer rolled in and basically the car was towed in. One of the other mechanic shop and also the dealer told them it was the transmission. The car was not moving at all. After we inspected, we were able to fix it. It was just a broken axle. The cost of the repair, originally customer got quote from other mechanics for over $5,000. We were able to get it down to $700. I think communication is very important throughout the inspection, the work progress, and let the customer know the cost and also what parts need to be replaced. If I'm a customer, if I wanted to have my cars done, first of all, I'll take a look at the reviews and see if the company has a good track record. Me and my team at Future Auto Care always welcome you as a customer. We'll do our best job to keep your car happy and keep you happy.